guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. We're gonna be unboxing one of the new Colourpop mystery boxes. I just went ahead and like opened the box, like the tape and everything, but I haven't like looked at everything in here yet, so I'm super excited. I don't know if they've done mystery boxes before. I think they did like a mystery something, I'm pretty sure, but I can't remember. By the way, Colourpop did send this to me. I'm sure you guys know that by now, but in case you don't, yes, Colourpop sent this to me in PR. So there are 3 boxes. So we have the Secret Stash, which is $29 with a value of over $60. Then we have the Colourpop Confidential, which is $49, and that one has a value of over $90. I also have the Makeup Mystery, which is the box that I have. This is the biggest one. It retails for $89 and it has a value of over $200. I also want to let you guys know that codes do work on the boxes, so they're already discounted and you can use a code on top of it as well, so it makes it even more of a better deal. Yeah, so that is super exciting. So my code is just KATRINA. It'll save you 10% off the box and anything else on the Colourpop website. I will leave that down below for you guys as well if you want to use it. I'm pretty sure everyone's box will be a little different. Yeah, so I'm super excited to dig in. I was gonna do like an unboxing and try on, but I'm like 99% sure that I probably have everything in here. You know, I pretty much review almost all of the Colourpop collection, so I'm assuming that whatever's in here I might already have. I didn't want to just waste product and use it even though if I already have it. So I will show you guys what's in here, and then I probably will save most of the stuff for a giveaway. Stay tuned. Let's just go ahead and jump into it. The box is super cute. It has like little question marks and stuff all over it. Okay, first of all, there is a lot of product in here. Like, I'm honestly shook. I'm gonna hold it up and show you guys like how full this box is. It is full. I took out like that packing paper because it was like annoying me. First thing that I see in here is super exciting. Hello, Animal Crossing. We have the Animal Crossing palettes in here. We have 2 of them. So we have the Isabelle palette, and then we also have the LaBelle palette as well. I love these palettes. If I have a video, I'm pretty sure pretty much everything in this box I probably have a video on it, so just search it on my channel. But yeah, so we have I don't want to open it because if I am going to give these away, like I don't want to like be touching it and stuff and open like the palettes especially. But yeah, so Isabelle palette and the LaBelle of the Ball palette. So that is super cute. This is the pink one and like the purple one. A lot of people loved this collab. I loved this collab, so I love to see that in here. So the next thing that we have in here is a super shock highlighter. This is super pretty, which this is Seismic. I love this highlighter. It's so pretty. I might keep this for myself because I want a backup. This highlighter is so pretty. Let me open the box. I won't open like the product, but or I'm gonna keep this one. I can open it. I love this entire collection. I forgot what collection it was, but the one with like all the tan packaging. I love this highlighter so much. I was using this like non-stop. I'll swatch it because I'm gonna keep this. This is like one of my favorite highlighters. It is so stunning. I love it. So I'm super excited to see that in the box. The thing that's in here is a 4th Ray product. This is the White Peach Body Milk. These are super cute. I've used these before. They're really nice. I have this one, so let me put this aside for a giveaway. But of the body milks, I love the face milks. Face milks are my fave. But yeah, the body milks are really nice. So they're really moisturizing. This one is the White Peach one. This one is for softening and hydrating. And it's just like a lightweight like moisturizer for your body. So that is in here. We have some single shadows. So the first one that we have is Fine China. I have this one. This is such a pretty blue. I love this one. And these are just like their single shadows. This one is a matte shadow, I believe. Yeah, matte shadow. Super pretty. Just a nice like cobalt blue. The other one that's in here is Sweet Spot. Just a really pretty yellow. Love these like brighter like single shadows. Are super cute. So we have in here, ooh, okay, so we have some more 4th Ray products. This is the Acai Face Milk. I have tried this one before. I love the face milks. I've said this before. Face milks are one of my favorite products from 4th Ray. It was in my little bundle that I had with Colourpop. I love the face milk. So the Acai one is for anti-pollution and moisturizing. It's a superfruit moisture booster. And yeah, this is just what it looks like. And I love the face milks. We have some Soul Body products in here. We have the Sterling Silver Shimmering Dry Oil. I don't remember what collection this came out with, or if it even did come out with a collection or just on its own, but this one is super pretty. This one's like nice and icy. So I love the shimmering dry oils. The like more gold ones and stuff all the time. I always put them on my legs, especially like if it's gonna be sunny or something outside. It just looks so pretty in the sun, or even if I'm going out in like pictures, it always like shows and it's so nice. So yeah, I love to see the shimmering dry oils in here. Okay, this is a product I actually haven't tried, but I mean I have at the same time. It's the pineapple face milk. So we have another one in here. I obviously can't use this because I'm allergic to pineapple, but it's a face milk. I'm definitely gonna be putting this aside for a giveaway since I can't use it. The next thing that we have is the Vino Rejuvenating Serum Boost. So this came out with the wine collection, which was one of my favorite collections ever. I love that collection. I don't remember if I even got this. I don't think I've tried this, honestly. I don't remember if I got it in that collection or not. Like, I'm sure I did, right? Because I got the entire collection. Why don't I remember trying this? I don't know. I'm going to keep this for myself because I haven't used it. I know that for sure. Basically, it just gives your face a nice, supple, healthy complexion. Basically, you just like put these in your moisturizer, like add a couple drops to your moisturizer or on top of your serum that you use all the time. So like I said, I don't remember using this or even having this. So, but I did love this collection. I just don't remember getting it. But yeah, I'm excited to try that. I have a cream shadow, and this was from the... I don't remember the name of this collection, but I remember the collection itself. But these are the ones that came out. There was like a bunch of these like cream shadows in there. I liked these. This one is just like a beige tone. But yeah, so this one is in the shade Agave Bloom. I used them when that collection came out. They were nice. They were... I think I used them as like kind of like an eyeshadow primer a little bit. We also have a Jelly Much eyeshadow from... This was from the Garden collection or whatever that collection was called. I love this collection as well. I love the Jelly Much eyeshadows. I hope we get some more because they're honestly such pretty lid colors. So we have the shade Desert Days in here, and this one is just like a nice like rosy pink color. I love these. But yeah, this one came out with that collection, and yeah, I want more Jelly Much eyeshadows. Haven't seen them in a while, but that's super exciting to see in here. We have another product from the wine collection. This is the liquid liner. I do have this, but I'm going to keep this for myself because this is one of my favorite liners. This one is in Why Not. It's like a deep, like, burgundy wine color. Oh, I love this, and I think the one that I have is probably already kind of old, so I'm excited to have a new one. You guys know red eyeliners are my favorite, so I'm telling you, the wine collection was one of my favorite collections that Colourpop has ever done, so excited to see this one in here. I have some lippy sticks. We have... two of them. Yeah, we have two lippy sticks. We have Who Runs This and Poison. Who Runs This is, ooh, I don't remember what collection this is from or if these are just like singles, but this is like a really pretty like rusty orange. This is like right up my alley. I'm gonna keep this. Oh yeah. Ooh, I love this color. This is a Matte X, which is one of my favorite. Do they still have the Matte X's? I have no idea, but I love that formula. It was one of my favorite formulas that Colourpop had, alongside the Ultra Satins, which I don't think exist anymore. Can someone confirm, do Ultra Satins not exist anymore? Because that was my favorite Colourpop formula. I need more. But yeah, this color, you guys know, right up my alley. Okay, so the other one that's in here is Poison, and this one is like a darker red. Let's swatch because I love darker reds. Oh yeah. Ooh, this is really pretty. I don't remember these shades. I don't know, but this is right up my alley too. I love dark reds. We have two lippy pencils. So these are like the lip liners. Is Cool BFF. I have all of the lip liners, so I'm just not going to open these to swatch them. I will definitely be putting these aside. So we have Cool BFF. That one's just like the BFF lip liner, like their most popular one, but just like a little bit more of a cool tone version. And then Ashton, which is, this one's like a little bit more of a darker, cool tone brown. This is really pretty. I don't know why I don't use that because I love those types of lip liners. And we have two of the Act Natural mascaras. I have tried these before. They are nice. They're just like a nice everyday mascara. We have black and brown. So I like that they included both in there. That's really cool. And down to like the bottom of the box here. But I feel like that's like a lot of stuff like so far. What is this? Oh, cream gel liner. My favorite products. We have Boots, which is that's the purple one, pink one, the pink one. My fave. You guys know cream gel liners are in my top 5 favorite products from Colourpop, so that is super exciting. Love that so much, and that pink one is so pretty. I love that. Last two products, we have an ultra blotted lip in vitamin C. I have this one. I used to use this one all the time. It's a really pretty lip color. It's like the blotted lips, so they're just like a little bit sheer, nice for like every single day. I wore this like every single day. It's so pretty. This is like a really nice color, especially to put this one in the box. Like, love that. And the final and last product in the box is an ultra glossy lip, and this is in the shade My Forte. I don't know what color this is. Okay, cute. It's like a lilac with some like blue and silver glitter throughout it. That's cute. I don't remember that color like at all. I mean, I feel like I have reviewed so many Colourpop products in the past like 6 years that I've done YouTube that I just like, I don't even remember anymore. There's so many products that I forget, but I don't remember that one, but that one is really cute. So that is everything in this box. I'm gonna go out of my way and I'm gonna add everything up. There are 22 products in this box, so if you kind of, I mean, obviously I'm gonna add everything up and see like what the actual value of it is, but just doing the math, if this is $89 divided by 22 products, that's $4 a product, so it's pretty discounted. You even use like my code on top of it, it comes out to what, 80 bucks. That's like $3 a product, so that's actually really good. So I'm gonna add everything up so you guys will know the exact value of what you're getting, if it really will be over $200, which I think it will be, but let's add it up because I am definitely curious. I went ahead and added everything up in this box. Retail value came out to $201. I'll say that some of the products that were in here were on sale on the website, so do with that what you will. Even though some of the products are on sale on the website, it's $89 is still way less than like how much it all would have cost anyway. So, and then plus with a code on top of it, 80 bucks, it's still a lot less, even if some of the products are on sale on the website. So just keep that in mind. That's everything in this mystery box. I think they're super fun. I will say that maybe like if you are someone that constantly buys Colourpop products, you might already have some of the products that are in here. But if you are someone that really maybe hasn't tried too much of Colourpop stuff and wants to try out some things, not have to pay like full price, I think that is such a good thing. Even like the smaller ones, the cheapest one is 29 bucks plus a code on top of that. It comes out to like what, like 20 something still. I think it is such a good deal either way. But like I said, if you're somebody that like is an avid Colourpop buyer and consumer, I think you might possibly have some of the products that are in here already, but obviously like everyone's box will be different, so I'm not exactly sure. I think the bigger one, if you're somebody that like maybe is just getting into makeup and wants to try products, 80 bucks for 20-ish products is not that bad at all. So I definitely think that it is a good deal. Thoughts on the mystery boxes? But anyways, like leave me a comment down below what you guys think about them. Do you want to see some more mystery boxes in the future? You are gonna pick one up. Which one are you gonna pick up? The big one, the medium one, or the small one? I'll leave all the info and everything. I'll link everything down below for you guys. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.